Welcome to our journey through the remarkable Ward W. Willits House, a masterpiece of architectural innovation by the legendary Frank Lloyd Wright. This architectural gem represents the birth of the Prairie-style and showcases Wright's ingenious wood frame and stucco construction system. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this iconic residence, exploring both its exterior and interior to uncover the genius of its design. As we approach the Willits House, you'll immediately notice its distinctive cross-shaped layout, a departure from the conventional rectangular design. This unconventional choice allows for more interior space and facilitates the play of light and shadow across the facade, creating a dynamic visual experience. The house features broad overhanging eaves and a hipped roof, defining the Prairie-style signature architectural elements. Once inside, we encounter the spatial marvel that Wright crafted. The central brick fireplace acts as the heart of the home, with 4 wings extending in a cruciform plan, creating a symphony of intimate and expansive spaces. This strategic layout exemplifies Wright's genius in manipulating space for both functionality and aesthetics. Gaze upon the stunning stained glass windows and intricate wooden room screens, each designed by Wright himself. These details add an artistic touch to the interior and enhance the play of light within the house. What's truly remarkable is that Wright didn't stop at designing the architecture alone. He extended his creativity to the interior furnishings, from chairs to tables, making the Willits House a truly harmonious work of art. Stepping out into the beautifully landscaped garden, we find a gardener's cottage and prairie-style stables, which have been thoughtfully repurposed into a separate house. Wright's architectural vision extends to every corner of this estate. This house isn't just about its exterior beauty, it's about the intricate details. Wright's use of diagonals in various elements, such as the prow-shaped bays and the art glass light over the entry stairway, showcases his penchant for the unexpected and dynamic. The first floor of the house is a masterclass in design, with interconnected spaces revolving around the central fireplace. Moving upstairs, you'll find 5 bedrooms, a sewing room, and a library, all bathed in natural light from the Prairie-style windows. The Willits House is truly an entertainment-style home, with its Romanesque archway, emphasis on horizontals, and a mesmerizing play of light and shadow on the roof. It's a testament to Frank Lloyd Wright's dedication to creating an immersive living experience. Designed around the same time as the Susan Lawrence Dana House, the Willits House represents a different architectural grammar, setting the stage for Wright's work in the following decade. Wright himself hailed it as the first great prairie house, emphasizing its unique cruciform plan and spatial flow. Now let's explore the layout of the Ward W. Willits House, both on the ground floor and the second floor. These floor plans provide a clear insight into the spatial organization of this architectural gem. As we delve into the ground floor, you'll notice how it's ingeniously designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The heart of the house, the living room, welcomes you with a warm, inviting atmosphere. Positioned to face the street, this room features abundant natural light and access to a low-walled outdoor terrace, where you can enjoy the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Adjacent to the living room, the dining room is extended by a large porch, making it an ideal space for entertaining. The horizontal lines in the architecture create a sense of continuity and elegance. Moving towards the rear of the house, we find the kitchen and pantry. These functional spaces are strategically located for easy access and service efficiency. This area is dedicated to the household staff, ensuring a separation of public and private spaces within the house. Just beyond the entrance, you'll find a reception area that offers a sense of seclusion and elegance. A cabinet and wood grill screen enhance the anticipation of entering the living room. The entrance to the house is situated under the roof of the porte cochere, providing shelter from the elements. From here, a few steps lead up to the reception area. Connecting the interior to the outdoor environment, the veranda and terrace offer spaces for relaxation and outdoor dining. Now, let's ascend to the second floor, where you'll discover the private living quarters. The second floor boasts 5 bedrooms, providing ample space for the family and guests. Each bedroom offers unique views of the surrounding landscape. A designated sewing room showcases Wright's attention to detail, providing a space for creative pursuits. Overlooking the south entrance, the library is a serene space for reading and contemplation, flooded with natural light. Instead of continuing the west bedroom directly over the living room, Wright left space for second-floor side porches, offering residents a tranquil outdoor escape. The Ward W. Willits House's layout is a testament to Frank Lloyd Wright's vision. It seamlessly combines public and private spaces, ensuring a harmonious flow throughout the home. The placement of rooms, the play of light, and the attention to detail make this house a true architectural masterpiece. As our captivating journey through the Ward W. Willits House comes to a close, I want to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support and interest in the world of architecture and design. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends who share your passion for architectural marvels. Your support truly means the world to us. But this isn't the end of our exploration of architectural wonders. If you crave more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new, exciting content. So, until our next architectural adventure, remember to stay inspired, stay curious, and stay passionate about the world of design. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Safe travels, and as always, keep on exploring. Goodbye.